keep bending these wheels. Oh, whoops. And so I got some bigger hubs. I think, I don't know, it might just be the hubs worn down. These hubs are worn right here really bad. Window looks good. Alright, there's what I got in place. Is this beast of a hub. I think it's gonna work perfect. And it's a monster too. I mean, that is. Anyway, I didn't expect that. But this also goes on a lot larger tractors. Alright, that fits that. Good sign. I think this is going to work. However, I did kind of screw up because these are not a match. So, I got to order threaded caps. There we go. These things are full of dust, and try to clean them out with a little parts cleaner. Oh. I think that set her flat. I have to drive her down a little bit. Look like it would just fit. Oh, perfect. Okay, let's see. Somehow that's got to go all the way to the bottom. I wonder. Let's do the next one. Okay, looks good. That works. Alright, got those bearings packed. Let's go put the seals on. Dang. Man, that is tight. That spindle's kind of worn out. Yeah, I think that's gonna be good. It's got good clearance too. So I think it's got good back spacing. It is hitting right there. You can see it's hitting right there. But I think that's just gonna wear out and be fine. You can kind of see it's just kissing it, but it's gonna be all right. Alrighty. Okay. Alright, to wrap this video up, I'm gonna give these wheels a coat of paint, and I'll paint those tie rods I never got around to either. So get them wiped down with some wax and grease remover real quick. Alright, not that great, but I should have painted all this before I put it on. I was kind of in a hurry. Nothing to be too proud of, but better than nothing, I guess. Almond, this is Rust-Oleum almond. Oh, dummy. Not bad. It's wrinkling up a little bit, so it's got something. Probably still got some of that. So I'm not trying to win any awards here, just trying to get a little protection on it. This one's going to be probably downright difficult to hit. Craftsmanship right there. Oh well. Alright, that's it. I've probably loaded, I think, I've used this tractor quite a bit since I put this on. I've moved, yeah, I'm pretty sure I've moved a few bucket loads of dirt, and I've moved some more hay out of the field. I can't remember if it was, yeah, I want to say I've had I can't remember if I moved those 100 bales before or after I did this, but probably so, because that last wheel I put on, it broke almost immediately. So I'm almost positive this hub one of these hubs. I can't remember which one it was, if it was this one or one of those hubs was either had a hidden crack that I couldn't find, or the hub face was just so worn out it was causing the wheel to work back and forth, loosen the lug nuts, and then bust out. Yeah, here's that latest wheel. So I can't, yeah, you can almost see the, yeah. I mean, I never found any crack on it. It might just be that this is so worn down. I think that's really what was causing the issue. This was so worn down, because I don't see any cracking. Anyway, working good. Haven't had any issues.